Hello friends, once again welcome on board to my channel, and in this video I am going to discuss about the Easa module exam, whether need to write or whether need not to write. So this is very good information I am going to share with you, because I got multiple, again same thing, multiple message, multiple request, whether writing Easa exam for Indian student is good or not, whether it is useful in future or not. So future I cannot tell anything whether it is good or not, but whatever with the current scenario, whatever from the last 10 years of my experience, I will suggest based on my experience whether good to write or not. So please watch this video till in carefully, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for my YouTube channel. Link is already shared with you. And let's start with the Easa part 66 module exam. So we'll go through this module exam. What are the module is there, fees, validity, licensing, and etc. We'll go through one by one in this slide. So Easa part 66 exam is just here also, just like B1 B2. I'm talking about B1 B2. Here also categories there: Cat A, basic license, B1 B2, Cat C. So just here just I'm talking about B1 B2. Easa part 66 ME examination consists of multiple choice questions, same like DGCA. For the 17 modules, total 17 modules are there, and there will be the subjective question for a specific module like 7, 9, 10. So you have to clear subjective also. You have to write the good story to clear this module. So just like DGCA, pattern is same, only here you have to write subjective questions also. And fees of the module is just like 20,000 per module, depend on where you are doing the course, but what I know is just lump sum 20,000. And 10 year for the basic knowledge module exam validity. There is a 10 year. Within 10 year you have to clear all the exam. So all module must be passed, and experience occur within the 10 year prior to the application. This is very good to know information about this Easa exam. Type training certificate. Suppose you have done some type training for particular aircraft, Airbus 320, 330, anything, and that certificate is usually valid for 3 years from the date of completion of that certificate. Once all modules are completed and a license is issued, those modules do not expire, but new module are adding category are subjected to 10-year rules. So if there is a change in some rules, some additional module they want to add, they can add or remove also. Otherwise, this is once you issued with the license, that module is completed, that module will not expire. Once you are writing this exam, field module may not be retaken from the at least 90 days and 30 days if you are doing a retraining to complete additional knowledge to clear the exam from the 147 organization. Basic license is a qualification allowing the technician to certify the maintenance of European registered aircraft. So basic license, just like Cat A, you can say you can certify European aircraft. And license experience 3 to 5 years varies based on the training. Experience must be gained within the Easa approved organization will be better, and it is mandatory only. Suppose I'll discuss in next slide. And logbook must be maintained, Easa approved logbook documenting all the hands-on maintenance experience, which need to be verified by a licensed supervisor. So you have to verify all the task and countersigned by the quality, I think quality department, quality inspector. So make sure you should have proper entry of logbook, because a lot of rejection is happening. You can obtain Easa license using experience gained on DGCA registered aircraft. Now here is the DGCA point of view, registered aircraft, but not through the direct conversion. So you must pass all the Easa module, and so that your experience is equivalent to Easa standard with Easa organization. Easa logbook entry, as I told you, require a minimum of 1 year recent relevant civil experience. So it's just like what I can say in a simple way. If you are working in DGCA organization from last 4-5 years, so 4-year logbook entry you can use DGCA organization, and 1 year you should show the experience on the Easa based organization. This is a very mandatory thing. If you have all the 5 years with the Easa organization, that is good enough, and you try to follow the Easa logbook pattern. So this is very important thing. Minimum 1 year is experience you should have Easa organization, and India very limited companies are there who is giving training, just like Easa approved organization, just like you can say Easa and GMR Aviation. For B1 B2 license, for the first aircraft type rating, on-job training is mandatory, usually in the part of 145 maintenance organization. With part 145 approved training, 2-year practical maintenance experience required. Without 145 training, 5-year practical, 147 5-year practical experience required. So it's just like experience. You can compare yourself for where you are doing, what you are doing. According to that, practical experience is required. And as I told, I was just talking about B1 B2. Just we'll go through quickly. Cat A license, minor schedule maintenance rectification. B1 for complete, B1 for covering airframe, engine, mechanical system. In that also B1 B2 B3 turbine, piston, helicopters, all are combined license are there. And B2 is for avionics, B3 is for piston, and Cat C is for base maintenance aircraft. So this is just for information. We are just focusing on the B1 B2. These all the modules already I have discussed in my AME course. About the AME course I have discussed all the things. Just quickly, this 17 module, math, physics, electrical fundamentals. You can go through all the modules, and these all the modules you have to clear within 10 years. So I am not reading this sentence. You can pause and you can watch, otherwise you will start feeling bored. So now if you are clear all the modules, the basic license will take 6 to 12 months, all depend on where you have completed the module exam. So is the minimum 6 months it will take, maximum can go 12 or up to above the 12 also, depend upon you have done from which country, where you have done this Easa module from which organization. That was also very mandatory. You have to select the best Easa organization, otherwise it is difficult, otherwise it will be useless. And this license will be valid once you are issued basic license. This will be valid 5 years, and this will be renewed. Keep on you have to renew every 5 years, and you have to show your exercising your certifying privilege. Now the good thing is B1 B2 type rating license endorsement. If you are working in India, we'll have long process, what I feel and what I have discussed with my colleagues. Suppose you are working in India, you got 4-year experience, Indian registered aircraft, you got Easa experience also, and now you want to apply for the Easa B1 license, or you want to get endorsement of the particular one aircraft. Already you have basic license. So what I feel, if you have to do type rating by your own cost, if you are not working in Easa company and company is not giving you training, you want to do separately, then you have to bear the cost of the type training. That will come around 4 to 5 lakh. Nowadays that training is available in online also, from Dubai, other countries, online also you can do this training. But the bad thing, or you can say disadvantage, you have to do on-job training on the particular type rating, because you have to show task-based training on that first endorsement. So first getting first license is very difficult. You suppose you have clear all the paper, spending lakhs of rupees, you got you have done another, you have spent 4 to 5 lakh for getting level 3 type training course on particular aircraft. Now the question will come here on job training. Suppose you are working in Easa company, then it's okay, company is ready to give you Easa experience, and good enough, you can get endorsement after completing all the task. Or if you don't, your company doesn't have Easa approval, you want to do separately by your own cost, then you have to go in Europe country or France, anything you have to go in Europe for getting particular last 1 year experience on the Europe registered aircraft, and you have to spend your own money for accommodation, everything, and just go and finish the task and then apply for the type rating endorsement. So this is a huge cost. It will go more than 10 lakhs if you are going by his own sales separately. Other way I can suggest you can select what I can say, you can, suppose you are technician, or suppose you are technician or engineer, any point of view, I am just telling. If you are applying in abroad, any Europe country, and they will take you as a aircraft mechanic only, they will not take you as an engineer. So you have to go as a aircraft mechanic, and then they will allow, if they are allowing you to, okay, you do. So suppose you have done level 3 type training from by your own cost. Suppose you want to get license separately from your own cost, so you have to spend lakhs rupees for the type rating. It can be online also, it can be offline also. So online you can save, again you can save the cost of hotel accommodation going in abroad. Better you do from India online. This type training, it is valid in some countries. So this is cost around 4 to 5 lakh, depend on the company to company. Again, exact fees I cannot decide, but it will go minimum 4 lakh. And if you are going for the disadvantage of that, if you are doing separately, where you will do on job training for getting first license endorsement on your basic license, you have to do on job training on the particular aircraft on which you have done level 3 training. So this on job training is very difficult if you are not if you are working in the India. Then suppose you want to go to do on job training 6-month project, you have to go abroad, work in the Easa organization to do complete this on job training. Then only you can apply this Easa exam or the Easa license. So this is a huge cost amount, what I feel. Lot of people have requested whether good to write or not. So this is the main disadvantage, and if you are not able to complete everything within 10 years, then you cannot, I don't think you will be issued with the license. So other way I can suggest you, just like if a technician for engineers, you can directly go apply for the aircraft mechanic in Europe country, join as a mechanic, and ask for I need to on job training for particular aircraft for the license endorsement. Then if company is ready, they will assist you, and after that from there you will get some salary also, you will be paid also, and you will become EASA license engineer as soon as possible. So this is only disadvantage. If you are not working in India, you are doing you are putting a lot of money for module exam, type training exam, then OJT, then only you will be eligible for the license. Better way, you join some EASA organization as a mechanic and clear all the formalities and get your license. But again I will tell whether if you compare the salary about the EASA and DGCA license AME, I don't think it is much different at 10 to 20,000 what I got with my friend, what I got feedback from a lot of people. So it's all depend on you. You want to write, you want to explore, but many people have seen they have cleared the module, but they are still working with the DGCA organization only. So it is just in future, if requirement is there, maybe that will be useful. Otherwise what I feel, I don't think it's much good to write. And the main I'll suggest, if you have family commitment in India, you cannot stay in abroad for long duration, I will not suggest to write this exam. It's spending lakhs rupees with this all the formalities. So it's better you focus on the DGCA exam only. That will be good enough to explore the aviation. And if you have planned to go abroad like Europe country for so long, then also it is good to write the exam. Obviously Europe life will be very high quality of life, excellent work-life balance, accessible healthcare, and rich culture experience, describe more peaceful than other regions. So this all Europe culture always I cannot compare with our country. So it's up to you. If you want to go, you want to enjoy the lavish life, so you can write, but it's still they are earning salary, you have to pay the tax, a lot of tax, used amount 30 to 40% tax, and it is very difficult to save the money. And otherwise you have to, both husband wife has to work in that country, then only you can save some amount. So it's not about the lavish life only, it's about the you have to take care of your family also. Family is also important. And going Europe, it will be very far, 1 day 2 day trip. It's like connecting flight. And if you are in working in Gulf country, it will be very good. Within 5 to 6 hours you will reach your home in case of emergency situations. So I will prefer just work in the Gulf country and get the Gulf license, GACA license, GCA license. That is good enough to get in more good money. And then that good thing is, if you are working in Gulf country, you can make good money, good salary without any tax deduction. Whatever salary is on paper, that same will be credited to your account, and just it will be some conversion charges will be there if you are sending back to your India. So I will suggest after DGCA, if you want to go, if you want to make good money in the field of aviation, just go in the Gulf country and make some money, come back to India, join somewhere a transit station, enjoy your life with your family. Good, you can have family balance also. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video till in. Best of luck, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Please type in the comment box if you need more video like this, and if you love this video also, if you need any other guidance, I am ready to assist you anytime whenever I will be free. So thank you so much for watching this video till in. Jai Hind.